Hi everyone, good evening. I am putting together Pioneer Woman Overnight Baked French Toast. And I really love making this. It's kind of involved, but it comes out so good every time. And the secret is doing it overnight so that everything gets to like congeal and the bread's soaked up by all the creamy process in there. I got 2 loaves of the hand-braided brioche from the market. Challah bread works equally as good, but brioche has like a sweetness to it that makes it even better. So I shredded 2 loaves of that in these 2 pans. And I will post the recipe as well, but I have 2 cups. I doubled the recipe. So I have milk in here. I have heavy cream. I'm going to be adding sugar and some nutmeg and vanilla and such. And then you also make a separate topping where you cut in butter and flour and sugar and cinnamon, and you crumble that on top, and that makes this wonderful golden crunchy crust when you put it in the oven. So I have I'm going to put 16 eggs in because I doubled the recipe, and I'm going to do this one I'm going to do with blueberries, and this one I'm just going to do a plain one in case somebody for whatever reason doesn't like blueberries. So I will do another video early in the morning when it's going in the oven. And I'll probably do another clip when I have this all assembled before I put it in the fridge. Talk to you soon. Good morning, everyone. Here's the finished product. We made a blueberry one and a plain one. Getting ready to serve at our Elks Lodge breakfast this morning. About 35-40 minutes at 350. Just keep an eye on it. You don't want it to get too hard.
It smells so good.